Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So in today's video, I have 4 homes to show you guys all across Jamaica. So if you are interested in homes starting as low as about 13 million Jamaican dollars, keep on watching. The first home I want to show you all is this brand new furnished studio house. All right, guys, this one is listed for 85,500 US dollars or 13,159,305 Jamaican dollars or 65,495 pounds. All right, guys, this one is located on Dennis Drive in Green Island, Hanover, and it sits on a lot size of 3,150 square feet. This one is fitted with ceiling fans and it does have a grilled, all the windows are grilled and they are sliding windows. As you can see in the bathroom, it's quite modern with, this nice standing shower and everything is brand new. So guys, I do think this one is a tad bit overpriced, but I'm guessing because it's so well furnished, and again it will be sold with the furniture. It is a studio again, right? And because of the land space and the ability to expand and go on top and all of that, and the community, I think that's why it's coming in at that price. But the value of the home will always be, in the eye of the purchaser. So it's up to you guys. I think I could have listed it for 12.5 at least, and then see where it goes from there. But I still wanted to show it to you guys because I get so many requests for Hanover, and I don't usually see a lot of Hanover homes. So here's this one for you guys. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Let's head on over to Montego Bay, our tourist capital city, and let's look at this home listed for 20 million Jamaican dollars or US $129,946 or 99,542 pounds. All right, you guys, this one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it's located in the community of West Green Meadows in Montego Bay, St. James. Now, this home sits on a lot size of 2,175 square feet. And as you can see, guys, this one will need a little work, but for the most part, it is quite, it's pretty beautiful and well maintained. So this one, for the persons who aren't interested in that big fixer upper life, this one would be a good one for you. Just needs a little love, a little reworking, and you'll be good from there. As you can see, you do have ceramic tiles, and in the kitchen you do have some kitchen built in, some upper and lower cabinetry. I do like the living and dining space here. It's quite open, it's quite airy, and it has a nice flow to it. So here is the washroom area, and you do have space for your washing machine setup and all of that. Here is one of the bathrooms. All right, so it's definitely workable, so you can move in, and then if you want to take your time and then renovate while you're there, you can do that. Here's just a view of the side yard. All right, as you can see, it's walled and fenced, and it is grilled. So you guys, if you are interested in this one, I will leave a link in the description box down below so that you guys can reach out to the realtor and jump on this one really quickly. Again, for other persons who want to say no one wants to move to Montego Bay, that is such a lie. I get so many requests from Montego Bay, so do not be turned away by persons who may be like naysayers of Montego Bay. There is value in Montego Bay. All right, guys, so check it out if you're interested. Link in the description box down below. Let's jump on over into Clarendon to look at this beautiful home listed for 25 million Jamaican dollars or US $162,433 or £124,428. Now, this one is located in Racecourse or Kemps Hill, Clarendon, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. Now, this home sits on a lot size that's well over an acre. It's specifically 60,114 square feet. Yes, a really, really large property. All right, you guys, a really large lot size. And then you guys will have space to expand. All right, you have space for backyard farming. The house does feature water tank, water heater, ceiling fans. It's grilled with AC units, and it even has a jacuzzi in one of the restrooms. So look at this kitchen, you guys. You do have some nice upper and lower cabinetry, right? So it's a nice little home that's great for a growing family. This one would benefit like a growing family or an extended family. This is a really, really good home. I get so many requests for a Clarendon, so I'm glad to be able to show this one to you guys. As you can tell, some of the bathrooms will need renovations just to make them more, modern and updated, right? But all of that, you can take your time and do that, all right? So here's one of the bathrooms. As I said, it does have that older style with the colored tiles, which we're moving away from. So you guys can take your time and update your bathroom and make everything in this home modern and new and to your liking. So if you are interested in this one, you guys, I will leave a link down in the description box below. Look at this backyard space. Again, there's your water tank, and look at all these lovely trees. Is that like a mango tree? Beautiful, beautiful. You guys have space to do a little backyard farming, and if you want to expand, that is also an option that's available. So again, link in the description box down below if you want to reach out to the realtor and do a viewing on this home here, 25 million Jamaican dollars in Racecourse, Clarendon. The last property I have to show to you guys is this lovely one here, listed for 29 million Jamaican dollars or US $188,422 or £144,336. Now this is a lovely 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located at Patrick Heights Manor, which can be found in the hills of Plantation Heights in the Kingston 19 area. This apartment is approximately 800 square feet, and it is a ground floor apartment located in a gated community. Let's take a look inside this apartment. So as you can see, the rooms do have closets, and you do have another additional space above the closet, which is great for storage. All right, you do have a ceiling fans, and as you can see, it is ceramic tiles all throughout. You do have your more older wooden windows that so many people hate in Kingston, but that is just a style of those apartments in Kingston. I realize most of them, that's how they were built, with these types of windows. And as you can see in the other bedroom, you do have that same closet set up where you have like the general like closet, and then you guys have a nice little storage area above. This apartment does need a little work, you guys, all right, but it is in a can we say movable? It is in a state where you can move in. It is moving ready technically. You can move in, and then while you're there, just do your updates and your renovations. Here is your kitchen space. You do have nice upper and lower cabinetry. All right, you guys, and the surroundings of this apartment, as you can see, is quite peaceful, quite tranquil, really, really, really nice. So if you guys are interested in this one, I will leave a link down in the description box down below. Again, 29 million Jamaican dollars, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with a friend or family. If this is this is like the third video that you're watching by me, I think it's time to subscribe. I think it's time to subscribe. Do I have to tell you guys to like, subscribe? And of course, guys, remember, like this video, it helps a lot. Share this with someone who is searching for a home. All right, post it on your WhatsApp, post it on your Facebook, share it in your WhatsApp group, send it in the church group if you have to. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll have a new video tomorrow. I have so many homes to show you guys, so expect lots and lots of videos. Thank you guys again for always supporting, and until my next video, bye guys.